Padlet is an internet site that allows you to collaborate with other users with text, photos, links, and other content. Each collaborative space is called a wall. It can also be used as a private bulletin board. Teachers and companies use Padlet to encourage creative multimedia conversation and brainstorming. 1. Go to padlet.com. Click the button that says Create something or Make a wall. You will be sent to your own wall with a unique link. 2. Drag a photo from your desktop or folders on your computer to place it on your wall. As long as you drag it onto the browser window, it will land on your wall. Click the center of the picture to move it around the wall, or use the arrows in the corners to make it bigger or smaller. 3. Double-click on photo to name it. Type a title for the picture or a caption. 4. Click or tap on an empty place on the wall. Start to typing to create a message. 5. View the small icon below your message. There is a link button, an upload button, and a video button. Use these buttons to attach a multimedia element to your message. 6. Copy the URL in your browser. It should start with padlet.com/wall/ and then include an alphanumeric code that is unique to your wall. 7. Paste this in any browser to grant access to the wall.
Changing the settings. Click on the cog in the right column. This icon will allow you to access your modification settings. Move from the top down in the tabs to modify the wall. Begin with the basic info, which includes the title and description. Type in these elements. Tap or click the next tab, Wallpaper. You can choose a paper or wood texture. Opt to use your own image or a vector image that is in the list. Choose the layout in the third tab. You can associate a random layout or do a chronological stream. The third option is a grid, which looks like a Pinterest board. Click on the Privacy tab to choose whether your wall will be private, hidden, password protected, or public. Consider signing up for an account to share your wall. The rest of the privacy settings and the other tabs require this.